Hi everyone, it's me again, Brandon, aka Steve, but today I thought I'd do a different video, and this would be a repair video and show you how to repair something. So although I think I should share how to repair stuff, because I've fixed so much stuff now, like that fish up there, and which other one did I do? I fixed that one, I fixed that, and I fixed the stuff that isn't together. Anyway, so I thought I would show you how to fix one of these Kung Fu hamsters. I got these two, because this is my example one here. I've already taken it apart, but I will take this one apart. I got these things in a charity shop because they've just reopened. Well, some of them have. The two battle tanks, I already had two sets, just ignore my dog barking. And then these two I got as well with them. This one was £3, this one's £3.50. Don't ask why, I didn't complain. But I already had these two in these two sets. This one is the training thing. It's the Special Forces one, and this is the Special Forces base. And I've got a few of the armor things as well. That's Phaser here. Yeah. So anyway, my mum just found that one for us. That was my first one. I've had him a long time. But anyway, so to get inside one of these, you have your motor, which the wire sound came off. It's literally just little contacts, which touch the inside. I'll show you in a sec. And then there's a gearbox with the wheels on. These ones don't turn. Listen to that. And yeah, so that's a bit of a problem. And that's the button. So inside you have the two batteries, and the contacts for the motor are, let's catch the light, just in there. You can probably see them. And yeah, so they still work. They just don't. Yeah. So that is do this one, and we'll show you how to get inside. So you want to have to use my foot. Yeah, my foot will be in the camera for a bit. So you want to put your screwdriver in the screw at this end. Sorry, I'm just doing this off camera. What am I pressing? Oh, apparently I'm holding down the button. Makes sense. Right, so once you've unscrewed this, it's that one there, you can just lift this out. Give it a bit of wiggle and this should come out. Put that asleep, and yep, you can see inside. So I'm going to put that one side and I'll show you the gearbox. Here it is. Let's open it up. I'll take out these 4 screws, which I'll do now. So I don't know why I actually have these. I kind of had one, I was like, oh, I should buy some more. But there's only 8 hamsters in the series. I'm assuming this repair will be the same for Zuzu pets, if you have any of those. But I don't. I've always just had Kung Fu. My first 2 were new in the box. My first one was when they still sold them. My second one was in a charity shop not that long ago. Funny enough, the one I got in the charity shop, I got the same place as the 2 battle tanks had the 4 hamsters in. So yeah. Yeah. I've got the screws out. So here we go. Take the tab off. Should just come off like that. And the inside. Now to get this out, just want to push down these 2 wheels. It's kind of hard to do with one hand because I'm holding my tablet. There you go. That's out, and then just give it a push and shake it out a bit. There we go. Now the motor should just come out. Is there a split gear there? God, what has happened to that motor? I mean the gear. Oh, my finger's all greasy now. I don't know, I'll have to test these in a bit. in a minute. But then you have your gearbox, and yeah, that's the whole thing. Disassemble. And I think you can take this off as well. There appears to be little like bits of elastic hooked over there. You can't really see. Let's try this one. This one's a bit lighter coloured. Yeah, no, it's hooked over. I'm not 100% sure how to get those. But anyway, that was the video on taking one of these apart. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.